How to add text in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can add text in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the YT Create application, and after that we have to tap right here on the plus icon to add the clip, and I can just simply tap on the blank clip, or I can or you can select your desired video, and I can just simply tap on the blank clip, and after that let me change the color of this clip. Now if I had to add the text on it, you can see the text icon at the bottom of the screen. So after that you can select from the plain text, or you can add the text effect. So let me tap on the text effect. From there you can see I have different options to select the text, and I can choose one of them. For example, I can select this one, and now you can see on this title icon I have to tap my own content. Let me type my content. This is how you can easily add text on YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.